is Joan Okonu Wimbia, Director, McDave Holdings Limited. McDave is owned by 2 shareholders, and it's purely a family-owned business, first generation. We are a contract manufacturing business, and we also do our own products. So when we joined CAM, actually, we never used to do any kind of networking. We were fully engraved in our production processes and how the business would grow. But after joining CAM, now we've been able to do so much. We've been able to achieve so much through networking. CAM has given us support in mentorship, especially in the line of sales and marketing, because that was our major handicap. Through the program, we've been able to improve some of our processes, especially in supply chain and also in sales and marketing. So we've been able to come up with sales and marketing plans. Now we have a sales and marketing strategy, which will help us roll out our products and also our contract manufacturing bit of business, even so that we are able to know how even to approach the customers. So we had none. We had 0 female in the organization, but we currently have 24 female employees. So that is how we've grown through the time.